Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Google Chrome has officially launched its Emulator for PCs and laptops, making it easier than ever to run Android apps directly on your computer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to install and set it up. Let's get started. Start your PC and enter the BIOS Hi-Fi settings. This is usually done by pressing a key like Delete. F2 or F12 during startup, check your PC's manufacturer for the exact key. Step 2. Once in the BIOS menu, look for an option like Intel VTX, Intel Virtualization Technology, or Zim mode for processors. Step 3. Enable this option, save the changes,